Get into the 2019 Kia Sorento. This vehicle still has fewer than 45,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This versatile Sorento has what your family needs to get the most out of every journey. Available in all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive, this mid-size 3-row crossover has earned its reputation for prioritizing safety, passenger comfort, cargo capacity, and connectivity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, floor mats, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Prepare to build lasting family memories in this smooth, spacious Sorento. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.